Good day, Brian Kaplan here with CTAC Credit Repair. We're here today to talk about CTAC Credit Repair and you, simplifying your credit restoration and credit repair to bring up your credit worthiness and your ability to plan and maintain financial sustainability and increase your financial literacy. So in the next few minutes, we're going to run through a flow chart to give you a greater vision on how we can help you with your credit restoration and increasing your credit sustainability, and again, your financial literacy. So stay tuned. We wish to thank you for your time and your consideration, and we look forward to increasing your financial literacy and sustainability.